Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how you can decorate your table corner by adding some new members. Here I am recycling some old jars. You can use any type of glass jars. So let's start the video. Here I recycled my old acrylic color jar and let's color it. After coloring this, I took another jar and I colored it too. The jar is ready now. I painted a few more jars. And for decoration, I used some lights, some fake plants, some real plants. So here is the final look. If you guys enjoyed our video, hit the like button, do comment and subscribe our channel for more videos.